Myself, Vaishnavi Iyer. I am a Bharatanatyam artist from Bhopal. I have been learning this art form since the age of 9 under the tutelage of Guru Shweta Devendra, the director and founder of Padmarang Nritya Academy. I am extremely grateful to Sankalp for inviting me to be a part of their virtual campaign and encouraging the young artists during these trying times of COVID-19. Today, I dedicate my performance to the undaunted warrior of the southern state of Shivagangai, Koili, whose sacrifice was the very first step towards our motherland's independence. I hope you enjoy it.
Koili, the unsung warrior. This anecdote dates back to the time when our golden bird was caged by the British. While they were brutally marching to tyrannize our motherland, they faced their first ever resistance and defeat, engraved in the books by the coup of valorous queen of Shivagangai, Velu Nachiyar. The strategy behind this victory was devised and played out by her commander-in-chief, Koili, whose sacrifice perished somewhere in the pages of our history with due course. Koili, also fondly addressed as Veera Thalapati, was a valiant warrior, undaunted by every danger and jeopardy that came her way. Her boundless loyalty towards the Queen and her homeland was beyond acclamation. She fearlessly stood on the pedestal of death, many a times to save the Queen's life. One such incident was when Koili was spying for Velu Nachiyar and discovered that her own martial arts teacher was conspiring against the Queen. She bravely confronted him and immediately ended his life. When the British tried to coerce Koili into revealing Velu Nachiyar's plan, she refused. So they tormented her community and committed various atrocities on them. Even this could not shake Koili's devotion towards the Queen.
தரிகட்டம் கலந்து
The advanced weapons of the British were a major threat for the Queen's army. She had to do something to defeat the British, for which she very intelligently formulated a strategy. When the whole kingdom was celebrating the festival of Dashera, all the women army hid weapons in their flower baskets and swarmed across the Shivagangai fort. On the Queen's cue, they entered the fort and forced the British into a battle they were unprepared for. Benefiting from the chaos, Queenie applied oil all over her body and burnt herself, turning their ammunition center into ashes. Her sacrifice must never be forgotten, for she lit the first lantern of our victory over the British. These blazing flames, rising from the valiant martyr, still ignites the souls of millions of Indians with patriotism and have immortalized Queenie for eternity.